Enjoy! Welcome to Honey, I'm a Home Chef.
Finally, I don't have to spend the entire afternoon making a dish and editing a video. Two reasons. One, we're making something that is simple and almost self-explanatory. And two, we got a much faster computer that can actually do what it needs to do instead of irritate me all afternoon. So that's what I'm doing. We're making tortellini soup. It's so simple. I'm gonna just talk through everything really quick. We're gonna toss it in the pot, get it going, let it cook, and then we'll come back to the video when we serve it. But basically, it's just going to be music and filming what's doing.
Nice.
So, we are going to start by making a not quite mirepoix. I'm going to chop up some garlic, some celery, and I'll probably like third these because they're way too big for a soup. And get them going in the pot, which already has butter and olive oil in it. Sweat that down until this is pretty translucent. And then to that, I'm going to add Italian sausage. Cook that through. Probably, I don't know, maybe a couple tablespoons of flour over the top of that, just as a thickener before I hit it with chicken broth, which is the base of our soup, essentially. And then diced tomatoes and tomato sauce over the top of that. For seasoning, Italian seasoning, I have 2 tablespoons of Italian seasoning there and a little over a half of a tablespoon of, not granulated, I always do that wrong. Onion powder.
Yeah.
So it's like fine onion powder. I don't know if I'll use all the onion powder. I might add salt just depending on what the Italian sausage does to the soup. If it's already salty enough and flavored enough, no need to salt it. Maybe a little bit of pepper, maybe some red pepper flake. And then, basically after that, the squash will go in. I'm going to cube this up into nice little, like, I don't know, nickel-sized cubes.
Okay.
So that will cook down. This is really mild flavored, but it makes the soup more hearty, but it just takes on the flavor of the broth, basically. So that just goes in to make it more hearty. Last thing that goes in is our pasta, which we bought already pre-done at the store, and then maybe a little bit of heavy whipping cream to thicken it up, and it makes it more of a creamier soup. That's pretty much it. The only other thing I'm going to screw around with is this French roll that I got for sandwiches the other day. I didn't want to waste it, so I might make something on the side, but whatever. That's not part of the dish. So, let's get started on the mirepoix.
All right. So this is Drew's favorite, well, I should say one of his favorite dishes. So he's our taste tester tonight. All right, Drew, don't burn your mouth. Whoa, went in hot. What do you think?
Noodles are very, very good.
Would you like to try anything else in there? Maybe try the sausage. Flavor, see how that flavor is.
That's excellent.
Okay, and the bread. Can never go wrong with bread. Also bomb?
Mm-hmm.
All right.